The equipment that is employed in mining, construction, and highway transportation spans over half the budget for expenses. It is vital that these machines are operational to maintain business. The Davis Tech Diesel Heavy Duty Technology Program provides training in a variety of diesel-powered vehicles, engines, and power systems. As part of the Utah Diesel Technician Pathways, students learn the theory behind regular maintenance, repairs, and service of diesel systems that sustain smooth operations and a profitable business. Hands-on work includes repair of transmissions, differentials, brakes, and wheel alignment. Once foundational knowledge is demonstrated, students are then exposed to the latest advances in the trucking industry, including engine design, air conditioning, transmission work, and computers. Highly trained and experienced diesel technicians are some of the most sought-after professionals in the industry. As technologies evolve, opportunities for learning, certification, and advancement continue with an increase in compensation.